Total flip talaga ng buhay ko si Feliz. But I'm really glad that I'm very blessed that God has given me Feliz as my daughter. Kasi every day she makes me feel like there's nothing else in life that I could have. Her alone is enough. Na yun na yung success for me. Yun na yung biggest blessing for me. And there's nothing more to ask in my life but having Feliz as a daughter. So, yun, every day I'm just grateful for her.
Thank you so much. For the next question, anyone can answer this. What makes the Bibulilits Galing Challenge 2.0 different or really a level up from the previous season? Go ahead.
For me po kasi yung last season is parang single task.